Alright, what up, people? Late night in the lab. Ram sitting out here. I thought I had some rims for the Ram. Some more rims. You know what I'm saying? There may be a slight issue with one of these. So we was looking at a different option, but now I know which way I'm gonna go. It's inevitable now. But let me show you what we picked up. Bada bing, bada boom. No lights, of course. All right, so when them dirty, I need to clean them. So if you'll see, got the light, got some big boy 26s. Yeah. So what I was gonna do, I was gonna put these on the Ram, right? Well, slight mishap, altercation, miscommunication, misunderstanding, because I know that nobody this day and age would purposely sell something under false pretenses, right? So went over here, well actually went over here on this side to try to bolt it up, and it wouldn't fit. I couldn't get shit to line up. I'm like, what the fuck? That set of rounds has two sets of lug patterns. People, stop saying that shit is universal. There is no such thing as a universal rim at all. So please, people, stop saying that shit is misleading. Just because it got two sets of holes don't mean it fit everything. Case in point. But what someone might be expecting, so if I was somebody that just had one vehicle and they bought those rims with the sole intent of them going on this vehicle, which I did, but they did not fit, and they did not fit, and then I didn't have anything else, I would be shit out of luck. So, you know what I did? So I come over here to the box, I take out the front wheel, and I see, is it gonna fit? Strike two. Still being optimistic, I say I got one more shot. And lo and fucking behold, the C-10 got an upgrade for no reason. For no reason. You know what I mean? No reason whatsoever. C-10 has got an upgrade. So now the C-10 is sitting on 26x10 limited wheels. And I must say, it looks nice. I'm with it. A lot of people was like, oh man, you need to put some bigger rims on there anyway. Yeah, so be it. Now, these rims, more than likely, are finna go up for sale. These are Riddler 22x10 and a half in the back. Yeah, 22x10 and a half in the back. And then we got 22 by 9s in the front. So 22 by 9 and then 22 by 10 and a half in the back. Staggered set of wheels, Riddler, finna go up for sale. Rims and tires. Rims and tires. So, it's not all bad. It's not all bad. Like I said, I would have been shit out of luck if I didn't have a C-10, because if these wheels won't fit the box, I know they won't fit the other box or the colors, because they all have the same lug pattern. But this one right here, though, let me step back. Uh-oh. Let me step back so y'all can. You can't be messing up the merchandise. Yeah, man. Sitting on them sixes. Yeah, man. Trying to get y'all a better overall shot, but I'm short. Okay, that might be a good angle right there. Thumbnail. Alright, so we out here with 10% battery, trying to give you the full view. Just came back from the tire shop, getting one of them kind of sealed up. Well, rim had a little bit of corrosion on it, but you know, that's what come with it. But we got it sealed up. These is 255s, 295s coming soon. 295 or 305, one of the two. We got room for it, so that'll be coming, and then we can get that thing all the way right. Have it sitting on something more than a rubber band, indeed. Just spray the wheel clean on there. Try to get some things cleaned up. Have some of that black goopy tire stuff on there, so I'll wipe them down along with this other back wheel. Get it all nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Yeah, out the 4, that was the only one that wasn't holding air. And that was the reason why I didn't pull it back in the garage yet. Because I didn't want it to be flat when I try to pull it out next time and then mess up the rim. So, y'all see them Ferris wheels though. Nice little addition to the mob. Nice little addition. All right, so there you see it. C-10 on 26s. Budget bill, baby. That's what we do. Budget bill C-10 on 6s. Just went to a whole new level, guys. When they pull this one out, you gotta know it's me. Alright, so we back. Another hot sunny day in Texas. Doing what we do. You see, sitting on them 6s now. Yee! I'm telling you, boy, them 6s set this one off, boy. So we just got finished changing all the spark plugs on this side. We changed the PCV valve, so hopefully we see a difference in what it does. If we don't, then I don't know. I'm really honestly just thinking about running it until it go kaboom. And then in the meantime, then we'll put the motor over there that we build in there. But yeah, so it should start up a whole lot easier and all that shit now. I just only did the driver's side plugs because that's where the issue seems to be coming from. Thing sit up. This thing sit up super stupid high now. Fuck me. Alright. Let's see what we got. A whole lot of action, right? Motherfucker stand with a hot in a bit, man. Crank right on up. She dirty. I did a little poppy pop. I don't know what that shit about. Then it started smoking. Like I said, I know before, or if you, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can see it. It's predominantly on that side. Yeah, this side ain't doing too much of nothing. This side though. I'm starting to think maybe it's a head gasket. So it looks like we back where we was confirmed at. That baby gonna need a motor or a head gasket or something. A little overhaul. So what we gonna do, like I said, we already got this one out. Go on and get this one together, refresh it, and then swap them out, and then do the rest at our leisure. Is my choice. All right, let's get another set of keys so we can get something else moving. Preferably this blue one. All right, so I'm gonna tell you what we currently got in works for the photo. Got some things coming. Please believe me. Working with my partner right now, get some exhaust stuff welded up so we can go ahead and put some mufflers on this thing, to O2 sensors, get it tuned. And that's kind of the last step to get it going, driving the way it's supposed to. Right now, I ain't gonna lie to you, that thing putting around. So we're gonna get it dialed in the way it's supposed to after we get the O2s in there and everything like that. So, yeah, pretty much all I got for that one. Now I need to move this one back over there. All right, so y'all know this one. Really the biggest thing is that we got left for this one is doing the rear end, posi and gears, and then maybe down the line be painting it or whatever, but for right now, posi and gears, and then we can leave it alone as far as I'm concerned. If the spirit moves us to paint it, we'll paint it. If not, yellow boy will be as he sits. So you got yellow boy. This one didn't have a name before. Officially, this one is Dolores, named after my mom and my grandma. May they rest in peace. So you got yellow boy, Dolores, Latrice, and then the C-10. is 8 Ball. So that's the official names. Yellow Boy, Dolores, Latrice, and 8 Ball. And of course, you can't forget about Shada Red. Shada Red has got a couple new upgrades, some speakers, some amplification, if you know what I'm saying. We got a speaker, some amps, so she is, we're gonna say it all the way good to go. Couple more things. Wasn't too many more things on the list. Lowers, 6.5 pods, speaker lids and hand guards. We decided different lower fairing turn signal LEDs, upgrade the shocks, did it, and 21 and 18 wheel, which we decided to just go 21 in the front. So 21-inch wheel in the front, the last thing they really need to do. So make it do what it do.